All right, an unboxing for my new rims. There's my supervisor. She appears to be busy. So the box is actually already open, but you can see right here we've got some nice mesh packaging surrounding the top of the rim. Hopefully we see no scratches when I pull this off. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So, this is what they are. Competition series, Lexani. These are specifically 21-inch Lexani Suttgarts. See, we've got some rim protection all the way around. So what these are a black finished spoke and interior barrel with machine tips. I think these are going to look nice.